Hey friends, I just got the new Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead, and I cannot wait to dive in and show you everything that's inside. This month's specially curated Curiosities box theme is Oceania, and it's filled with beads that will make your mermaid or merman heart sing. You're going to love it. This is such an amazing subscription, and you won't find beads like this anywhere else. John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses full of beautiful, antique, hard-to-find beads, and they are including them in this subscription bead box. You can't beat it, I'm telling you. Are you ready to jump in? Let's jump in. Every month you get a postcard with the theme of the box and an origin story of the inspiration. Make sure to read it to get your creative juices flowing. Darn it, John Bead is so classy. Right away we have some dark teal silk leaves and a pearl embellishment that could be in a mermaid's bouquet. The first thing I'm picking up is this amazing mermaid mix, which has smoky topaz pyramid beads, round coral and copper glass beads, and beautiful black and green marbled beads that look like polished stone. Next, this blue bag has large cream pearls, crystal tube beads, and cracked turquoise 10mm rounds. This is a ring and bracelet set with a sunken treasure vibe. In antique silver, the ring has a bluestone setting, and the hope bracelet has silver beads and turquoise rounds. Here are more of the beautiful dark teal silk leaves, which would look beautiful in a collage or an art journal or on a gift. This huge plastic package has tons of aqua green rhinestones, aqua glass beads, glass AB daisies in ruby, emerald, aqua, and topaz. This little clam has 3 lovely little sea pendants in gold, nickel split rings and jump rings, and round metallic findings. This red bag is filled with AB polished glass fish in olive, ruby, rosaline, and crystal. Perfect if you're a Pisces or a fashionable fisherman. This green gossamer bag has glass pressed beads in vibrant turquoise and green and beautiful antique blue glass fish with gold details. I love these beads. Pearls are in right now, and this huge glass pearl necklace is ready to wear, or you can take it apart and use it in your other projects. The weight and size of these pearls is wonderful. Here are some colorful rhinestone and pearl earrings. Wear them yourself or give them as a gift. These strands of semi-precious cherry quartz chips look like they were picked right off of a beautiful sandy seashore. Here are the famous John Bead seed bead mixes, starting with check pony beads in multi-pink, dark red rainbow, and dyed pink. We have light blue, crystal, and dark blue rainbow, and medium green luster and yellow alabaster luster. John Bead is including 100% natural hemp cord in 4 shades of aqua, 10 yards each color, perfect for mini macrame bracelets or heavy-duty embroidery projects. They also included some heavy-duty leather needles, which also work great on denim and heavy-duty fabrics. And in every collection, you get a collectible pin and sticker with the theme of this month's box. Whew! John Bead sells out of these at lightning speed every month, but I have asked them to save a few for my followers. I'll leave a link in the description for you, but hurry because every time I launch a new box, they're gone in no time. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.